Confused about the difference between Klarna's Pay in 4 and their longer-term financing? In this video, I'll clear up the confusion between installments and a credit line. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna offers two main types of credit: short-term installments and a revolving credit line. They work very differently. Pay in 4 inches installments are for a single, specific purchase. You split the cost into 4 equal, interest-free payments over 6 weeks. It's not a recurring line of credit. The Klarna financing card, or Slice It, plans, acts more like a traditional credit line. You're given a credit limit, and you can make multiple purchases over time. For larger amounts, you may have a longer repayment period, 3 to 36 months, and interest may apply. A crucial pro tip: always check if a plan has 0% April or if interest applies. The Pay in 4 inches is almost always interest-free, but longer-term financing plans will state their April clearly before you commit. Read the terms carefully to avoid surprise costs. And just like that, you can choose the right Klarna product for your purchase. Understanding the difference prevents confusion and helps you manage debt wisely. Which Klarna product do you find yourself using more often? The interest-free, Pay in 4, or the longer-term financing? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to check your Klarna eligibility. Thanks for watching.